6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and away we go. They make one complete lap, and away we go. Looks like 66 going to take the lead up and down. Nowhere to go. 81, 98, 666, 426, 89, and 1948. Away we go. 89 got a little lost there, but she'll get it sorted out as they continue to play a little push and shove. Looks like number 66 is in the lead. Looks like 4 laps completed now on 66. 4 laps completed on 66 in the lead. And second place, 98. 66 and 98, top 2. 66, 66, still in the lead. Six laps completed now on number 98 in the lead. 6 laps completed also on 426 in second spot. Once again, some good speed happening out here as they continue to play. Now 7 laps completed on 98 in the lead. 98 in the lead, looks like, followed by 426 in second spot. 98 and 426 fighting it out as they continue to play right there together, racing right side by side, and top 2 in the placing. 98 still in the lead with 426 literally right behind him. 98 and 426 fighting it out. They're your leaders. 98, now 10 laps completed, 426 with 10 right behind him, working hard to maintain his lead. '98 still in the lead, 11 laps completed, 426 right behind.
Oh, come on. Engine is shot. No, his engine is shot. Careful, honey.
Now 12. 12 laps completed now as 426 as they get a little space between them. And they change as now we have 426 in the lead. 426 in the lead. 426 in the lead.
Oh! Nice!